How to change currency on Qatar Airways. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to change the currency on Qatar Airways. So let's just jump right into the video. First thing you have to do is go to your web browser and simply search for Qatar Airways and hit enter. Once that is done, click on the first link that you see, Qatar Airways, book a flight. All right, so once that is done, you won't even have to sign up. So in order to check for prices, you can just go ahead and book a flight. So I'm going to go to book a flight. Let's just select a return flight. Select from, let's say, Norway to, let's just select this place right here for this respective date. Now click on continue. And just for a little fun, let's just book a premium flight. Then select the number of passengers and click on confirm. Now click on search flights and it will show you all of the available flights for your particular criteria. Wait for a bit and now you should be able to see all of the flights here. All right, so here are some of the flights that are available. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with this one right here. Click on it and select it. You should be able to view all of the flight information for this. And as you can see here on the price tag, it has by default shown the Norwegian krone. If I want to change the currency, I can click on this option right here. And then I'm able to change it to all of these available options. Let's just go with US dollars and click on apply. And once that is done, you'll be able to see all of the prices for your tickets. So that's how you basically change the currency on Qatar Airways. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.